I was in a cafe on the second floor, and I was checking the window, and I just saw everybody running. That was in Drottninggatan where it happened. I didn't see any trucks or anything. I just saw panic in everybody's face, and everybody just running toward what was it? West. And and then we were just trying to leave, but then people started running again toward that direction. More people from that street. So I think there was like a shooting going on, and whatever. We moved to West. It's an area called Kungsholmen, and then at the tube station Fridhemsplan. There was another shooting, and we were there. So yeah, we just it happened in the subway. Actually, we were in we hide in a supermarket, and now we're going home.